Hello everyone, this is Chalaki. I'm a personal injury attorney in the state of Texas. Today we are covering the topic of uninsured motorists and underinsured motorists. To get started off with, let's define the terminology. Uninsured motorist, also known as a UM. It is granted to you by the state of Texas by statute. The only time that you won't have it is whenever you purchase your insurance policy, you go ahead and sign off and reject it. A lot of times you're rejecting it and you don't know about it because it's one of the documents that you're signing while you're purchasing your insurance policy. So it is important once you read the entire policy before you sign off on it and see what you're rejecting. Uninsured motorist is when you're involved in a collision and the other person that caused the collision, it's at fault, but they don't have insurance. Your own uninsured motorist coverage kicks in, and for a deductible, usually about $250, it grants you coverage for you to cover your damages. Now, uninsured motorists, there are two policies, property damage and bodily injury. And if the other side doesn't have any kind of insurance, well, your uninsured kicks in and covers your vehicle and your bodily injuries. What is the difference between that and collision coverage? That's another video that I have covered that topic. So go ahead and look into our video bank and you will find that information. What is underinsured motorist? Underinsured motorist, also known as UIM, provides you coverage when you're involved with a collision with someone else and they do not have sufficient insurance. For example, they could have the Texas minimum policy limit of 30, 60, 25, and that is another topic that I covered in our other videos. What is the Texas minimum policy limit? And it doesn't cover all your damages. Your vehicle is worth $50,000 and they only have $25,000 to cover it. Your damages are in hundreds of thousands of dollars and they only have $30,000 to cover it. That's when your underinsured motorist kicks in and covers the additional damages that the other person couldn't cover up to the policy limit that you purchased. So if you purchase a policy limit under your bodily injury of $50,000, $100,000, then it will cover you up to those limits. Same thing with your property damage. If they don't have sufficient amount of money and your vehicle is worth $50,000 and they only have $25,000, then it will cover the additional $25,000. Both of these, as I stated, are granted to you by statute in the state of Texas. So before you sign off on them, ask your insurance agent or study more about it so you don't end up not getting reimbursed for your damages if you're involved in a collision. Thank you for coming in. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our videos so I can do additional ones and provide you with the information to protect your rights. Have a good one.